Hello, students. Today we are here to give you the lecture on real number. I think it is your first chapter, so you know it better. So before exam, if you once go through it, it will be helpful for you. The real number. Real number? What is that? From the very beginning, we are very familiar with the counting. Counting a number. But what they are 1 2 3 4, we are from the very beginning, from the very childhood we are using this. But there is some problem that several times that type of questions may come, that you have to distribute 3 among 4. There, what will be the number? If somebody asks you, you don't have anything and you have negative something, negative marking, you are very familiar. That type of problem when occurs, there the terms real number come to our side. Now to know real number, it is made of several 5 subsets. These are rational number, integer, whole number, natural number, irrational number. Let's discuss about rational number. Any type of fraction, that is 0.5, 1.5, minus 0.25, this all are rational. Integer, negative and positive both is possible, that is minus 1 2 3 4 and plus 1 2 3 4, any integer you can take. Whole number are those which consist from 0 to all the positive whole number, no fraction is there. Natural number, any type of natural. Negative number you can able to plot, but if you have to give minus 5 rupees to somebody, you cannot able. So these are not natural. An irrational number, root, pi, all. See from this Venn diagram, it will be very clear to you. See, the total set is rational number. That means any point, any whole number, anything. Now their subset is integer. That means maybe negative, maybe positive number. Their subset is whole number. Whole number, that is only the total integer part is there, no fraction is allowed. And natural. Natural is from there also. That means all the positive numbers is only. Okay? And there is another set, that is irrational number. They are not natural, they are not rational. These all, overall this whole sets is termed as our real number. I think you can able to get little bit. Now here I am telling you the total division. The real number, 2 types, rational, irrational. Rational is divided into integer, terminated decimal, repeating decimal, fractions. The examples is also given on the screen. You can follow the screen. It will be better. Whatever I am telling, along with that, you are just go through that. Now, integer can be 2 types, negative number, whole number. Whole number, 0 and natural number. I think you are able to get what is whole number right now. Integer may be positive, may be negative. That is whole number and our negative numbers. Rational, integer is right now clear to you. Terminating decimal means 0.5, 0.44, these all. And suppose some repetition is there, 0.3333, 0.454545, 0.5555. These are repeating decimals. And some fraction I don't have to tell you, because 1 by 5, 1 by 4, those all are fractions. And the irrational number, they are not terminating or not repeating decimals. Just like pi, it cannot be terminated. So see, here I am concluding what I already told to you. the thing is that rational number, integer, whole number and the counting number. These are the whole sets. And there are some irrational numbers just like pi, root by 2, this all. I think you can able to get this on screen. This different colors it is made also for your better visibility. Up to this level if it is okay. Now see, just stepwise I distribute it for your better understanding. Here I am telling you one thing that when it is going on, at that time I am telling, if you think this video is better to understand for you, don't forget to press the thumb and share it with your friends. And obviously, if you need this type of videos more and more, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Our channel name is Education Hub. Now, what we are doing right now, come back to there. Now see this all pictorial view you can able to get. So there are the numbers cannot expressed in the quotient of two integer. These are called irrational number. And the real number, the rational number combined with the irrational numbers makes the real number. Now this whole set of rational number and irrational number, when I am combining, it produced you the real number. Just follow the screen. I am showing you. See, the rational number, the total set of rational numbers is just beside, by left side you can able to get, and on the right side they are the set of irrational number. Now when I both combine it, then what will be? Just I am combining it right now, and it gives you nothing but the real number. So I think what is real number, it is right now clear to you. It was your first chapter, so you know it very better. But till before exam, if you make it clear, then any type of problem you can able to solve. See? So this is our rational number. See, I am grouping it right now. Now after grouping, I am just making, already I told you, this is the nothing but our real number. Now, if it is there, I have to do some problem words. Just I am translating that. That is plus, sum of two number, difference of two number, product of two number, quotient of two numbers, equal, is, these type of numbers. For a problem we have to solve on that. See here, what I already told you, that I am explaining right now, the sum of two number. You know it better, the addition symbol, by using that we have to show it. And similarly for subtraction, for product and the quotient we need. Now to do this all operation, we have to follow some rules, the order of operations. That is our motto to describe you. Before that I told you what type of problem may come. Now the thing is that when I am telling you the order of operation, we have to maintain by using some specification. These are our very familiar BITMAS rule. What is that BITMAS rule? Right now, we have to explain that. We know that suppose some operation, something is there. If it is there, then what we did? Suppose the real problem has come to your side. Now what do we have to do? Or first, when the more than one symbol of operations has come to your side. Here I am showing you the all symbols. Right now you are familiar with this all symbols. Now when more than one symbols has come to your expression, then it is agreed to complete the operation in certain order, and these order, this mnemonic can help you to remember the proper process. See here, I'm telling you already that BITMAS rule. What is this BITMAS rule? BITMAS rules is telling you B for brackets, then I for indices, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now see here, by using this, what we have to do? We have to complete addition and subtraction from the left to right. From left to right we have to go, and we have to follow the mnemonics BITMAS. Then only we can able to solve all of our problem. So see this, when more than one symbols will come, we have to follow the BITMAS rule, and obviously we have to solve if we have more than one brackets also at a time, more than one indices and multiplications also. There also you have to go from the left to right. See, with the example I am showing it right now to you. Here 2 within bracket 3 minus 5 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4 is there. So at first what we have to do? The answer is we will know, but before that, first what we have to do? Just see, at first I have to do the bracket operation. Now for bracket operation, 3 minus 2 square. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5, that means 2 minus 2. So at first, minus 2 square we have to do. The brackets, combine those first. So what will come? Minus 2 square. Now when it will be solved, rest part will be total. We don't have to change there. The all other parts, only the BITMAS rule B first, B bracket is coming. So at first that will operation, and it is right now minus 2 square. 2 into minus 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4. Now the next one, that is I. If the I is coming, so what we have to do? If the I is coming, that means indices square. So what will be that? First one, minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means 4. So our operation will be, gives you the answer 2 into minus 2 square. Square indices solved. So it is come 4. So 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 4. As it is, the rest part is as it is, just the indices part will be solved. So the result is coming right now, 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 4. I am going very slow because you can able to get it better. That's why. If you have this idea, it is, you can think it is going too slow, but I am going too slow only to make you understand. Okay? Now, see it. 2 minus 2. Simultaneously, you can able to solve also. Then also it will be better for you to understand. 2 into minus 2 square, that is 2 into 4. And rest part, that's plus 3 into 2 minus 4 will be there. See, the answer is coming to on screen also. So BI both is done. Then the next part will be M and D. M and D means multiplication and division. So multiplication and division, where we are getting both side multiplication, 2 into 4 first one, and 3 into 2. This 2 multiplications is there. Is there any division? No. In this expression, we don't have any division operation. 2 multiplication is only there. So we have to solve this 2 multiplication. This 2 multiplication we have only. Now if I did it, then what will be the result? The result will be 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 4. So this is coming to your screen. Now A and S. BIDMAS A and S, that is addition and subtraction. The addition and subtraction. Here we have addition also and subtraction also. See this? So at first addition will come, that is 8 plus 6, 14. And then subtraction, that is 4. That is 8 plus 6, 14 minus 4 will come to our side. Okay. So the answer will be 14 minus 4, nothing but 10. I am going too slow. I think it is right now clear to you. If you make it clear, then it will be better to solve other problems also. Now, two communicative properties are there. This operation multiplication and addition, we have the communicative properties. It is A plus B or B plus A. In case of the scalar, these both are same. See, 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 gives you the same answer. And similar for multiplication also. A plus A into B or B into A. These all are same. I think right now you can able to get. When you multiply, you can combine or trade the factor of places. So this is clear to you right now. I think if you have any doubt or any problem, you can just go through. I think here there is no problem. After communicative properties, we have to discuss about associative property. Now the associative property, what they are, right now we will discuss it. Before that, once again I am telling you, please go through the screen along with my voice also, because there I am explaining it step by step everything, and it is very slow I am doing as because you can able to get it properly, because you are not in front of me. But if you have any doubts still, then you can give me the commands. I will try my level best to solve them. Okay. Now first one, again we will start the associative property. Communicative property is telling you just the interchange. Now associative properties also tell you the interchange, but they are within bracket. Suppose from this example you can able to get, here also the associative properties is applicable for both addition and multiplication. Now see, the first one example is showing you, see, A plus B within bracket plus C is also equivalent A plus B plus C in bracket. That is also similar. And one example is also given, therefrom you can able to get it. Now for multiplication purpose also, you will get the same thing. Just see this, where A cross B. One thing before starting the multiplication, I have to tell you, here if the bracket is changed, that means our BIDMAS rule will change. That's why one question may come to your mind, how it will gives you the same result. But in associative, there the same our operator is there. If both the plus, both the minus, both the multiplications is there, then it will be applicable. See here, A plus B also and there also along with C is also with the plus operator. Okay. If this values is changed, instead of the A plus B multiplied by C, then this associative properties will not work. The both symbol will be same. If addition, then addition. If the multiplication, then multiplication. Got it? I think it is right now clear to you. Now come to the part of our second, that is our multiplication part. Here I am telling A multiplied by B, if it is within bracket. Just follow the screen. It will become ready right now. So there also, once more I am telling, because many of you will do the same mistake, that when the associative property will work, you forget. What you did? When the addition is there along with the multiplication symbol, you did it. No. Maintain the thing. I repeatedly am telling, see this. This is also the negative multiplications is coming. Both here the symbol should be multiplied, then it will activate. Both positive, then activate. If it is mixture, not possible. So A cross B in bracket into C gives you A cross B into C. One example is also given here. So when the multiply, you can associate and multiply any factor of first, then multiply the other factor. I think it is right now clear to you. When we have to use it, it is also clear to you. So already what we learned? Two properties already we will able to run. First one, communicative. Next one, associative property. Got it? Now, before starting the next one, once again I am telling you that here the symbol should matter. That means your operator. So please follow what operator is there. Then only try to use any type of this associative or communicative property. Next one, we will start discussion to our next property. So communicative, associative property is clear to you. Next properties is distributive property. Distributive, by the name you can able that it will distribute. So if you have to distribute, what do you have to do? Suppose someone asks you to distribute something. How can you able to distribute? That will be discussed right now. Now, before starting this distributive property, once again I am telling, please go through the video totally, don't skip. And if you have any doubt still or any problem you cannot able to solve, then please give your command. See, distributive property. A into B plus C is given. It is uncombined. Now by distribution, what we will get? AB plus BC, AC. See here, A multiplied by B. When I already told you, if the sign is changed, the property will change. See here it is. A, B. B plus C is combined. Plus sign is there. And A, there is multiplication signs is there. Now it will be distributed. By example, I already told you, the arrow sign is showing you the better understanding. 3 cross 2, 3 cross 4. And there in middle, what the symbol was there? Addition, and that symbol is coming here also. This is our distributive property. Now this distributive operation is distributed here, multiplication over addition. Now just in opposite sense, there also it will work. Just see here, the distributive property also hold the factor multiplied on the left. Just see here, B plus C into A. It is the right now change its symbol, then also it will work. Now the rules of sign symbol is very mandatory for here. See here, a into minus b, it gives you minus ab. Minus a into b gives you minus ab. Just follow. Minus minus a, positive. And a by minus b equal to minus a by b equal to minus ab. See, positive dividend by negative or negative dividend by positive. Then always you will get the negative result. I think you have to, you know it better, then also please go through it. It will be better. Now if you have both dividend and divisor, both are negative, then what will happen? See here, minus a divide by minus b. Already I told you, a minus b or minus a by b, that is done. Now the next, if minus a and minus b both are there, then what will be? It will be, gives you the positive result. Just see, follow the screen, it will be better for you to get. Negative dividend and negative divisor, it gives you the positive result. Please follow the symbol. Remember that the values of a and or a, b could be positive or negative. Then what will be the change? I am showing it here to make you understand properly. So after this level, it is clear to you. Now we come to the next phase. After this level, if you have any doubt, give us command, we will solve it. Now we are coming to the next part of this. That is nothing but Euclid's division lemma. What is that? By the name you can able, already you have some clear knowledge or may not, but I will make it clear to you. What's that? Gives a positive integer a and b. There exist unique integer q and r also, satisfying a equal to bq plus r, where 0 lesser than r and lesser than b, where a, b, q, r are respectively called dividend, a dividend, b divisor, then q is coming as quotient and r is remainder. That total division part, I think it is clear. If you have to distribute it, a is the dividend, b divisor, q quotient, and obviously r remainder you will able to get. Now the Euclidean division algorithms, what they tell? They are telling to obtain the HCF of two positive integers c and d with c greater than 0, follow several steps. What's there? First one, apply Euclid's division lemma to c and d. So we able to find out c equal to dq plus r. Here r is maybe 0 or greater than 0 and obviously lesser than d. And if r equal to 0, then obviously the AD will be the our HCF, and if r is not 0, then the division lemma applied for d and r also. And next step 3, continue the process till the remainder is 0. Now here I am giving you some problems also. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Just go through it. Here the theorems is given. only to for your understanding. What's the problems are? First one theorem is telling just let x be the rational number whose decimal expression terminates, and x is expressed as of p by q, where p and q are co-prime and prime factorization of q, and it should be in the form of 2 to the power n dot 5 to the power m. That means one our whole number part and another fractional part, that way. For example, it is given also, see, if it is given 7 by 10, we can divide it 7 by 2 cross 5, that way. I think you can able to get. Next theorem, let x equal to p by q is a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is the form of, obviously the same form, 2 to the power and 2 to the power and 5 to the power, 2 to the power m and 2 to the power n. There should be, obviously, power should be non-negative integer. Here also the examples is given. And the next one, if two positive integer a and b, then the HCF of them and LCM of them will be the multiplication of both. I think this theorem is known to you till I told you, because it will be help you to get total understanding, because maths is such one subject where if you can't able to understand it totally, you can't able to do anything. That's why I explain it once more. I'm going through so slow, only because to make you understand. Here also this 3 theorem is very, you know it, but still it will be very much helpful for us. Obviously we know it that the LCM and HCM, if I will put two numbers is there, if I multiply this 2, then it will get the 2 numbers also. Now here are some questions is given also. You can try, or what I teach you up to this level, I gives you some problems here. Solve it. If you face any problem of any questions, ask me. That way a total complete tutorial sessions will begin. And I give you the total tutorial sessions of your maths and obviously science. So if you think, let's go through, follow these questions, solve these problems. If you face any problem, anything, solve and gives us commands. So I think right now you can able to get. Just go through this problem, pause the video, write down this problem. I'm giving you already several questions, 6 questions is there. Their answer is also I give here. You solve yourself. If you have any problem, gives us command. Now more questions is given here also. Just follow the screen here. Now at the end of this video, I have to tell you one thing more, that I will solve all your chapters in your group. You can able to get. If you think it is good for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get this type of more and more videos. And obviously I am asking you all to give some commands. Solve your problem and gives me commands. I am waiting for your command. Okay? So whatever you face, just here also I'll give you some problems. In 2 phases also it is given. Phase 1 and phase 2. All the problem solution, the answer is given. So if you think you need, you cannot able to get, give such command. I am waiting. Several times I'm telling that I'm waiting for your commands. And obviously like and share. It will be among with your friends. Then it will be better for us. Okay. So up to this level I think you can able to get. Thank you for listening this all total video. I think you are not a skip. If you skip, then again go back and follow it totally. Then you can able to get it fully. Okay. Thank you.